So, Anu, what do you think is a disease, and what is there a spiritual meaning behind a disease?
That's such a nice question, Sumedha. Thank you for asking. And I'll repeat it again for everyone. So Sumedha is asking me what is a disease. Actually, disease hoti kya cheez hai? And invariably when I say to anybody, oh, people say, oh, I have a disease, what they're not understanding is that they're telling me that they are not at ease with something. And it's very interesting, what are you not at ease with? So I often tell people, hello, let's make a list of things that you're not in peace with, not in comfort with. And let's see what are those discomfort areas that you felt just before the disease started. Ho sakta hai it was like a week before. Ho sakta hai it was a month before. Ho sakta hai it was 1 year before. Ho sakta hai it's been an ongoing discomfort in your life. So it's very, very important, Sumedha, that people pick up what is that discomfort that they're looking at. And I think the second question you asked was whether there's a spiritual meaning. In my experience, if you look at Buddha and his story, Gautam Buddha, he had everything that money could buy, including love and everything. Meaning he had been kept in a very happy place. And then he went out for this ride where he saw death, he saw ailing people, he saw old people, and he started questioning himself. He wasn't seeing something that was positive. He was seeing something that was entirely negative. I mean, to look at an old woman, to look at a sick person, or to look at the dead body, which he had never seen or encountered before in his life. These were very pressing things for him at that time, which made him think, what really happened? Made him search the meaning of his life. Similarly, I would say our disease, जब हमें होता है, कोई भी disease का मतलब है, it can be, I have a headache, which is just not going. I have a chashma problem and I can't see now without glasses. Or I have, let's say, diabetes, or I have a heart issue. We think it just happened on the day heart attack happened. Heart attack didn't happen on the day it was diagnosed. Something was going on before. We live our life sitting on our discomforts. And if you've heard that song, Chal 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 Mere Sathi, O Mere Hathi, Khatara खींच के, this खटारा is nothing else but our body, जिसको हम खींचते चले जा रहे हैं. We're just pulling it no matter what happens. And we are not pausing to ask why. So when a disease happens, when let's say that diabetes happens to you or a heart problem happens to you, it's like a wake-up call. Like similar wake-up call that Gautam Buddha had. Knock, knock, there's more to life than this. Knock, knock, you've tried to make life comfortable artificially. But look at those discomforts that are sitting right down. And don't keep sitting on it. Now get out, get up, look at them. And there's so much, it's a fascinating journey once you start understanding that your body is saying something to you. And if you can start decoding what your body is saying to you, your entire life and meaning of life, and the changes that you will bring about, because now you will do everything not to put the discomfort under you, under your pillow, under your bed, but you will be proactively actually dealing with that discomfort by maybe taking care of your relationships, doing other stuff. And then if something is not working, either getting out of it or staying in it. So I feel that every disease is very, very spiritual. Thank you for that question.